Charles Osborne, who made it into the Guinness Book of Records, started hiccuping in 1922 and hiccuped continuously every 10 seconds until 1990. Cockroaches, which almost all of us loathe, have been around for millions of years, and they are among the rare species that can live for days, even after their heads have been severed. We don't know what you will use for transportation after learning this interesting information, but the truth is that human skin makes up 15% of the air you breathe in a subway station. Did you know that the strongest muscle in the human body is the tongue?